this kind of thing. You understand? Flip-flopping. That's what I said, my brother. Okay. I see you. People can, there's no way you will move forward successfully by flip-flopping. You can't do that. You have to be, steady in what you are doing. Stand one place. Today, now them sorry, if I'm cool, now them sorry, no come out from for deceive really. Deceive will control one again. Oh, now them sorry, no come out and say the message, the more Adam sorry. You don't care about, I'm not saying that whether Butus or not Butus or did anything. I'm not here to justify or to explain anything. But you can imagine why Isaiah said her own. And that's audio where she said that now not the good about an I get I listened to that, but I don't know how I misplaced that audio. Once I lay my hand on it, I will bring it forward. What am I actually saying? Everything going on now, okay? Someone say, Kai, respect, big brother. I see you, my brother Benjamin. All of you that are in conversation, I'm still coming back to conversation. All of them have one thing in common. Look for somebody, paint the person bad for a moment and excel, jump and pass. Tomorrow, because they don't care about their reputation, they don't care about their past events. All they care about, nah. Say it now, get it now, nail somebody, blackmail somebody, drag somebody, nah. If you play their message back, like their message of 3 months, if it will leave a 14th, even to question themselves, am I the one that said this? No. Why did I say this? They don't. That's why they don't read comments. No matter what they say, they will tell you, I don't care. Truly, they don't care. Truly, they don't care. So you wasting your time on that, what are you doing? What do you intend to achieve? Do you understand what I'm saying? What do you intend to achieve? These two audio is from two different people. And one of them, the one I played for the first time, it made it clear that she's no longer for Biafra. Now let's go Biafra and deceive her. The same person is busy on her platform, looking for a way to antagonize another person of the same crime that she's committed or she has committed. Because every now and then, oh, Ngosara Beze, and a Bumajana, oh, Ngosara Beze. All those things is what she's doing. Somebody who is telling you always telling you that, oh my angel, and I'm asana tafu, masana now wage neku again. Just pay attention. Listen. You get the point? You get the point? Now, today she's broadcasting for Umajana, Umundibo, Umu Biafra. Umu Biafra, more about than the money. Neku here. Or not, na Biafra. She's not there. She don't want to be there. She don't even believe in that. Omo don't go on abra. Man, she want to be in control of the natural or blacketa. Do you understand it? So if you, some of you, then that Nangosa Beze, just another thing. They will be the first to raise alarm. That you want to buy men on ground. Oh, you want to buy the Biafran Liberation Army. Oh, you are planning to, you are the one that hate them. You hate them. You hate them, you say something unprintable, something against them.